Kalala Yahawah. Ba Shema Mashak Yawasha. Shema Yashabala Yahawah Alahayana called the Bamaspaka. So I found this video of the SpaceX Starship explosion. And we're going to look at this from a deeper perspective, biblically, and point out what they're not telling the masses from this news. So what you're going to see when we play this video is the Starship didn't just explode. It didn't just malfunction and just explode. No. It was dismantled and taken down by the angels. We're going to see in the video. Don't worry. We're going to show the video, and then we're going to throw a couple of precepts out there to further understand the matter that we just witnessed. But yeah, they're not telling you that they were entities that destroyed SpaceX Starship. And the reason why they're not telling you that is because they want the masses to realize that, or they want the masses to believe that they have full control, they have all the power. No. The Most High took that Starship down. And we're going to see in this video here. I won't make this video too long, but we're going to examine this video and we're going to see why the Most High took it down. We're going to see the evidence of the chariots of Yahawah taking this object down. Let us proceed.
So there's astronauts on that?
Look at that. What are all these twinkling lights around the rocket? Look, there's one way above it right there. One way behind it. They're not telling you about that. I'm going to rewind it and pay attention all around the spaceship. Pay attention.
So there's astronauts on that?
Look at those flashing lights. All above it and around it.
Oh no, it's gonna explode. Someone just said,
It didn't even explode yet, family. And all those lights appeared around it. But they want you to believe that, oh, it exploded. No, it didn't explode. It was dismantled by the chariots of Yahawah. It was literally taken apart while it was in flight. I'm going to rewind it for reiteration one more time, and then we're going to let it play all the way through. And then we're going to get to the scriptures.
so there's astronauts on that? Oh no, it's gonna explode. Someone just said,
No, the rest of it's gonna explode.
No, this is what happened last time. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's happening again!
This is exploded! Is there something on board?
This is insane!
This is so cool! This is so cool!
This is how close it is.
Oh my god!
This is so cool.
Are you kidding me? No! Are you kidding me?
That's all going on. by Long Island.
It's gonna land on our boat!
No, it's all right. TikTok is gonna be busy. Yeah.
Holy cow, it might catch a fire. Wait, it might be a fire.
So that thing was dismantled in flight. Now, I'm going to rewind the video just a little bit, and I want you all to pay attention to the upper portion behind the Starship. We still see twinkling lights flying right above the Starship. And those twinkling lights are a distance from the Starship. Watch.
This is how close it is.
Is there some...
Oh my gosh!
Holy cow.
Oh my gosh, it's happening again!
Wait, this is loaded! This is loaded! Is there something aboard?
This is insane!
This is so cool! This is so cool! This is so cool!
This is how close it is.
Oh my gosh!
Holy cow!
This is so cool.
Are you kidding me? No! Are you kidding me?
That's all going on.
It's so cool!
Just went up in flames.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh!
That's gonna land over by Long Island.
It's gonna land on our boat!
No, it's all right. TikTok is gonna be busy. Yeah.
Holy cow, it might catch a fire. Wait, it might be a fire.
So yeah, they're not telling the masses the whole truth. That Starship was dismantled by the Chariots of Yahawah. And this is more of an omen. This is more of an omen for the kingdom of Esau. Yeah. This is an omen for the kingdom of Esau right here. We're going to the book of Obadiah. We're going to the book of Obadiah, starting at verse 1. Chapter 1, verse 1. The vision of Obadiah. Thus saith Yahawah Elohim concerning Edom. We have heard a rumor from Yahawah, and an ambassador is sent among the heathen. Arise ye, and let us rise up against her in battle. Behold, I have made thee small among the heathen. Thou art greatly despised. The pride of thine heart hath deceived thee, thou that dwellest in the cliffs of the rock, whose habitation is high, that saith in his heart, who shall bring me down to the ground? Verse 4, here's the kicker. Though thou exalt thyself as the eagle, and though thou set thy nest among the stars, thence will I bring thee down, saith Yahawah. So that's more of a sign of the complete fall of the kingdom of Edom. That was an omen that we just witnessed with SpaceX Starship being completely dismantled by the heavenly armies. It didn't just explode, it was taken apart while it was in flight, family. May peace, serenity, and prosperity be multiplied unto you all. Shalom.